da, 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 da. Known for biking. Beautiful views. But it lands on his wheels. Oh, no, 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 no. Sorry about that.
That's all right. That's what you get.
Dance, dance, revolution. Rockville style. Oh. Oh, there you go. To the top.
Hung up on that grass. What's stopping you?
Sort of landing. This is Chris Harder. He's got it all mapped out.
Famous last words.
Famous last words of every rock crawler. Don't worry, honey. Hold my beer. I can do this.
Not enough dirt there now. There was before.
What's the chances the truck comes back out? It's all good until you hear the spinning tires.
Oh, we're good.
We're good. It says we're good. Look at that. Look at that. I'd say I do that with my truck, but the luck of the Irish may not be with me. Oh, he is tempting fate. Tempting the fate.
I didn't have to steer.